In primetime news this evening, an increase in respiratory-related illness, but what's causing it? Garbage crisis growing out west, and police forced out of station due to sewage problem.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the business day. Has Javon Keys.
Thanks, Janella. The ports have been seeing increased volumes, and Kingston Freeport Terminal Limited has been spending more money to keep up with the demand. I'll give you more on that story later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. From Javon, we go to Karen. She's here to tell us what's coming in sports. Karen?
Well, Herman, 4 newcomers have been included in a predominantly local-based Reggae Boys squad. They are now heading to Cameroon for an international friendly. I'll tell you all about that later in the package.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: has there been any improvements in garbage collection in your community? And give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at TelevisionJam1.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.